Why do millions of Muslim women choose to wear hijabs every day? Let's find out. The hijab is more than just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of faith, modesty, and identity. In Islam, modesty is important for both men and women. The hijab represents a woman's commitment to her faith and her choice to be seen for who she is, not just how she looks. Historically, women in many cultures wore head coverings. But in Islam, the hijab has a special significance. It's a personal act of worship, a way to show devotion to God. It's also about privacy and respect. The decision to wear it is deeply personal, influenced by family, culture, and personal belief. Remember, not all Muslim women wear hijabs, and that's okay. It's all about individual choice and interpretation of faith. So next time you see a woman in a hijab, you'll know it's more than just a fashion accessory. It's a powerful statement of faith and identity.